Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today I'm gonna show you a quick and easy guide to turning on dark mode on Facebook for Android. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your Facebook. Now click on menu and go to settings and privacy. Here you can see the option of dark mode. Click on this. Now if you want to turn on dark mode on your Facebook, you just have to press on this on option. That's it. So this is how to turning on dark mode on Facebook for Android. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.